So update. I didn't have a surface mount diode regulator, little diode, so I had to use a through hole diode. Had to modify it, cut it, get it onto to the surface pad, as you can see here. Also, this original cap that was in it was much more smaller. Um, it was 16 volts, 2200 microfarad cap. So what I have in here, I have a 2200 microfarad cap with 26 volts. Just in case if there's a spike, the cap can handle the extra voltage or the spike or the surge. So I'm in the process of, so what I have to do is, in order for me to clear this lip here, I had to bend it about almost 90 degrees to clear here, for this can sit flush, and I can screw down this part here, the sensor. In addition, I checked the diode earlier in the process. The diode was shorted. Now, the negative probe in my left hand, which is the cathode, and then the positive is what the anode is. It reads, you can see that on the multimeter. It reads about 0.56 volts, the bias. So that diode definitely was shorted, and that capacitor was shorted. So if I go to ohms, just to see, I want a large impedance reading across the cap, which I do have. Unless the cap was in parallel with some component, I don't have a schematic to determine that. But if it was in parallel with a 20 ohm resistor or a 100K resistor, in parallel, it would take the impedance of the resistor or less. So that's fine. Now it's just a matter of me just buttoning it up, and I'll let you guys know if it works or not. But here we are. Sorry. I replaced the diode, clean it up now. I replaced this cap, which is much more smaller. As far as the capacitance, it's the same, but the voltage here is 25 versus 16. And the diode is the same. Xenon diode here. So I'm just gonna clean it up, trim up the leads, and I'll let you know if it works or not, or I'll show you in my next video. This is Randolph Parker MS, and I will talk to you later.